suppose we are given an equation Mg plus CO2 gives MgO plus C. Can you balance this equation? Balance it fast and tell me the answer. Okay. Who has balanced? Hinal Himani and Nirviksha?
Yes, ma'am.
Two
Yes,
participants.
ma'am.
Okay. Okay, Nirviksha, you tell me how will we balance it? What will be the
मैम
answer?
2m
Okay.
मैम 2 लग जाएगा
और
मैम
कहाँ पर?
MgO के आगे
Yes. Okay. So actually, for balancing this type of simple equation, what we will see कि सबसे ज्यादा atoms किसके हैं? We'll see. We can find that oxygen has maximum atoms. तो सबसे पहले oxygen को balance करेंगे. So balancing oxygen on product side, we have to just add a 2 here. It is making oxygen 2. Now magnesium also became 2. So to balance magnesium, we'll add 2 here. And now everything is balanced. Okay. So this was the first example of simple equation. Suppose we have another equation. Balance this. Sorry. Okay, balance this.
Ma'am, 2HCl.
Okay.
मैम 2 HCl हो जाएगा
Okay, okay. So only 2 HCl will be there.
और मैम सेकंड थर्ड वाले में भी
और थर्ड वाले में भी खाली 2 HCl. Okay. So these are some of the easy equations. So it is easy to balance. We have to just by observation only. It is possible for us to find the answer. Okay. Now, Nirviksha, why are you raising hand?
तो मैम नीचे हो गया
Okay, okay.
मैं उसी को सिंपली कर रखा था
Okay, okay. Now, suppose I have another equation. Suppose we have this equation. Okay. I want to balance this. Okay. So, who can balance it? Okay. You can observe here the easy examples which I have given. Here, oxygen was only in one compound. Here also oxygen in one compound. Magnesium in one compound. Magnesium here also in one compound. Carbon in one. Carbon in one. Okay. Similarly, every element is present in only one compound, then balancing is easy. Barium is present at one places only. Calcium is present at one place. Hydrogen at one place. Sulfur and oxygen also same. Okay. But here what is happening? Oxygen is present at two places. Oxygen is present in product side also at two places. Okay. So hydrogen is also present at two places and hydrogen here is present at one place. So in that case, balancing is not easy. Okay, some of you have balanced it. Okay.
मैम डन
Ma'am, I have also done.
Okay, okay. So what is the answer?
Ma'am, can you tell?
Okay. Who? Himani. Okay, Himani, you tell me the answer.
मैं अच्छा
2H1O3 plus CaOH whole twice gives CaNO3 whole twice plus 2H2.
Okay. So actually, yes, they got the answer. And maybe because of practice, because this is an NCERT book question only. One method I want to teach you actually, that if suppose you are stuck with some problem and you don't know how to balance it, or you are not getting what number to balance, just put some variables here. Suppose I am putting W. Okay, I am putting X, Y, W and Z here. One method I am telling you. Okay, X, Y, W and Z I am putting. Now I'll make the equations, algebraic equation for hydrogen. Okay, hydrogen यहाँ पे कितना है, 1 है, तो I'll write x. हाइड्रोजन यहाँ पे कितना है, 2 है, तो x plus 2y is equal to, hydrogen here is not present, hydrogen here is present is 2 times, so it is equal to 2z. So first equation will be this. Then I'll make one equation of nitrogen. Nitrogen is 1 only, so x, no nitrogen in second compound. Then nitrogen here is 2, so this is equal to 2w and no nitrogen here. Then equation of oxygen, oxygen is 3, so 3x, oxygen here is 2 plus 2y equals to, oxygen here 3 into 2, 6, so 6w, and oxygen here plus 1, so it is z. Okay, calcium, calcium is only 1, so y, here calcium only w equals to w. Then are all the elements finished? Okay, now after this what we can do, किसी भी एक element की value assume कर लेंगे. We'll assume it as 1, any one element. Suppose first one I am choosing x as 1. x को 1 choose कर लिया. If I am putting x here as 1, what is the value of w? W will be equal to 1 by 2. Yeah, if I substitute x here 1, so 1 equals to 2w, w equals to 1 by 2. Okay, x and w I got, y equals to w, so y is also 1 by 2. Now we want z, x plus 2y equals to 2z, x is 1, y is 1 by 2, z we don't know, so 2 equals to 2z, z equals to 1. Okay, so x, y, w and z, this were the known variables. I got 1, y as 1 by 2, w as 1 by 2 and z as 1. Okay, now we should multiply a common number in all of them so that we can get rid of this fraction. Okay, so smallest number which I will multiply in all of them to get rid of this fraction is 2, because we have denominator as 2. So multiplying in 2, multiplying by 2 with all of them, so this will become 1, this will become 1 and this will become 2. So value of x is 2, value of y is 1, value of w is also 1 and value of z is 2. This is the answer. Okay. So balance the chemical equation. And don't think that method is very long. It is. Okay. So start balancing this equation, and whoever. So those who have finished the first question can try second and third one. First, I am writing answers actually. Okay. So who will tell me the answer of first one? First one का answer कौन बताएगा? Okay, Siddharth, you tell me. Okay. Harini, you have already told. 1 minute. 1 minute. You can do one thing. I am muting all of you. Okay, so person whom I will be permitting, please only that person should unmute. Okay. Okay, first answer Siddharth, you tell me. Siddharth,
Yes, ma'am.
tell me first one and then after immediately after telling mute yourself.
2 and 3 plus CaOH.
Your voice is not coming clear.
Ma'am,
Yes. One minute.
4NH3 plus 3O2 2O plus 2.
Plus how many H2O? Siddharth?
Ma'am, 6H2O.
Okay.
6H2O.
Okay, okay. So this is the first answer. Then next one. Okay, Harini, you tell me next one.
Ma'am, yes, yes.
Ma'am, 3BaCl2
Okay.
plus Al2 SO4 whole thrice gives 2AlCl3 plus 3BaSO4.
Okay. Okay. Next one, who will say? Next one.
Ma'am, yes.
Okay. Yes, Nirviksha.
Ma'am, 2AlOH whole thrice give Al2 O3 2 मिनट है ना 2 ये हुआ कि वही कॉपी हाँ मैम बाकी एज इट इज ही है शायद
Okay. Yes, Hinal, is there any mistake or is it correct? Hinal,
Ma'am, not getting this one.
this one not getting. Is there anybody who is getting this one?
Ma'am, I know.
yes मैम लास्ट में मिस्टेक है
हाँ
मैम एक
बोलो.
बार बोल दे 3 आ
हाँ,
जाएगा
बोलो.
मैम वो 3H2 हो जाएगा
Okay, okay. ठीक है. Good.
Ma'am, 3.
Okay. Now I am going to discuss one by one each one of them. Okay. So how we are doing it, we'll see it again. We have placed 4 variables. इसके आगे W लिखा, इसके आगे X लिखा, इसके आगे Y लिखा और इसके आगे Z लिखा. जो हम वेरिएबल्स की इक्वेशन बनाएंगे उसमें सिर्फ वेरिएबल्स लिखेंगे. Will not write any of these elements. First of all, making equation of nitrogen. अब नाइट्रोजन रिएक्टेंट्स में कहाँ है? यहीं पर है. और कितने नाइट्रोजन है? सिर्फ एक नाइट्रोजन है. तो रिएक्टेंट की साइड सिर्फ W आ जाएगा. W equals to on the side of product N2 we have, so it will be 2y. W equals to 2y. For hydrogen similarly it will be 3W equals to 2Z. For oxygen 2x equals to Z. Now choosing any value of any of these variables and just assuming any one value. So we have chosen W and will put W as 1. If W is 1 from first equation, अगर W 1 हो जाएगा तो Y क्या हो जाएगा? 1/2. So W is 1, Y is 1/2. If W is 1, Z will be 3/2. If W is 1, Z will be 3/2. Now Z is 3/2. So 2x equals to 3/2. X will be equal to 3/4. Now we have written all the variables W, X, Y and Z. W is 1, X is 3/4, Y is 1/2 and Z is 3/2. Okay. Now next step is making all of them whole numbers. As we have the fractions, so we don't want fractions. So what we will do? Multiplying by जो सबसे बड़ा denominator है, अगर वो सभी का LCM है तो उसी से multiply कर लेंगे. Okay. So 4 is LCM of 2, 1. So 4 is the greatest denominator. We'll multiply by 4 everywhere. This will be 3. This when 4 multiplied by 1/2 it will be 2. 4 multiplied by this will be 6. So our balanced equation will be 4 3, 2 and 6. Okay. So we can write this way. Final answer 4, 3, 2 and 6. Again W, I'm writing with another color so that W, X, Y and Z, making equation of barium first of all. W equals to Z, then chlorine 2W equals to 3Y, then aluminium. Who will tell the equation of aluminium?
Al. Oh, just
2,
sorry.
2X
X equals to Y.
Y. Sulfur
3x equals to Z.
3X equals to Z. Oxygen
12x equals to 4Z.
okay. So this way we got this. Here actually we can cancel this also. इसको ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं 3x equals to Z. Let W equals to 1. If W is 1, X is also 1. If W is 1, Y equals to 2 by 3.
2 by 3.
Okay. Y is 2 by 3. X is also 2 by 3. We got all the values. Okay. So W, X, Y and Z. W is 1. X is 2 by 3. Y is also 2 by 3. Z is 1. So multiplying by 3 in entire equation 3. Is there any mistake? Okay, 2, 2.
Ma'am, AL will be 2x equals to y.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. हाँ इसीलिए mistake आ रही है. Right. 1 minute. So y equals to 2 by 3. So x will be equal to 1 minute. Okay. Let us make this correction. W is 1, Z is 1. So 2 equals to 3y. Y equals to 2 by 3. Now 2 into x equals to 2 by 3. So x equals to 1 by 3. Okay. So x will be 1 by 3. Okay. So now when we will multiply by 3, we'll get this. Okay. So this will be the balanced equation. W will be 3. Okay. This will be 3. X will be 1. Y will be 2. And Z will be 3. This is the balanced equation. Okay. You can make equation of aluminium. ठीक है. अगर ये balanced नहीं दिया होता तो aluminium की हो जाती. Suppose this is W. This is W. This is X and this is Y. So W equals to 2x. For oxygen, the equation will be 3W equals to 3x. And for hydrogen, it will be 3W equals to 2y. Okay. If x is
And for
1.
oxygen, it is 3w equals to 3x plus y.
Okay, there also it is right. 3x plus y. 1 minute. 3x for oxygen, sorry. 3x plus y. And for hydrogen, it is 2y. Okay, right. Okay. If x is 1, w will be equal to 2. So x is 1. So y equals to 3. Okay. So basically w is 2, x is 1 and y is 3. Okay. W is 2, x is 1 and y is 3. Okay. Is it clear to everybody?